Okay, so I did do it once, but when I downloaded the file, I downloaded it as I guess a file that's not compatible. So I'm going to redo this. I guess that's one thing about the screencasting that I really wouldn't like, is it's something you'd probably need like a really good app, and you'd probably have to pay quite a bit of money for it. So yeah, that kind of sucks. But I am currently on this game. It is called Castle Siege, Security Siege. I am currently on level 2. What I did was I did grades 2 to 5. I did a computer because that's what the technology I'm using. And then the topics I chose were science or social studies, depending on kind of like I like those subjects in school, so that's what I kind of decided to go off of. And this one just seemed really interesting. I'm currently joining Nico and Sakura on their virtual reality journey to Tobrosos Castle. I'm learning what it's like to be a gray hat hacker by helping the wizard elf Serena find the crown of knowledge. And then I'm going to expose the poor security system used at the castle and learn how to avoid becoming the victim of a scam. So that's what I'm doing right now. It's pretty fun. I'm actually really enjoying it. And I kind of just like to see how much this tool has to offer. And I really like the filters that it's using because it's really specific, and it allows to manage, your time and a classroom space really well. So I really like this. So let's go. So this is Sakura, and this is Nico. So look at the funny shapes on the door. I don't think any of the flat stones we have in the bag will fit the gap. Let's see. I think it's like a tangram puzzle. We need to use more than one stone and maybe rotate the stones until they fit. Okay. Let's see. Oh man, okay, I don't think I'm gonna do great at this one. Let's do this one. Okay, nope, not that one then. Probably this one. How do I do this? Click on 2 stones that would solve the mammogram. What's not really letting me just pick 2. Okay. Okay, that's one of them, and this one. Dang it. Okay, not that one. This one. Nope. Apparently, I'm not good at picking these. And this one. Okay, I finally got it. Sorry, that shape looks really weird, and I probably wouldn't have gotten that. Okay, let's see what's next. Now we just need to fool the beard recognition system to get into the king's private quarters. It's Hanika's poor attempt at a facial recognition system, but none of us have a beard. Hey, where did you get that wand from? I know, she just popped up with it. Alright, let's see what happens next. Oh my god, he has a face full of hair. Wow, look at him. Don't panic, it only lasts for 10 minutes. Oop, that's telling me that my computer is dying, so hopefully I can finish this in time before it dies. Alright, because I'm currently laying on the couch, so I kind of don't want to get up. It's really cold. You know that winter weather. Okay, don't panic. It only lasts for 10 minutes. The facial recognition software would join the dots up and see if it can find a match. Okay, so then okay, next. Click dots 1 to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Click dot 4 again and it will turn blue. Okay. Click on dots 5 through 7. Beard match. Woohoo! Did it! Yeah, look at me. I'm a task master. Whoop whoop. Match the 3 methods of authentication that you have used in this task. Facial recognition and special shape rock. Oh, what you know what you are, what you have. So what I have, so match the three methods of, okay, so what you have is probably face recognition. What you know is probably a memorable tune. Oh, special shape. Okay, what I had actually was this. What you are. Okay, let's see if that was right. Okay, cool. Woohoo! I did it. It was kind of like a trick question. Woo! Task complete. Look at me. I did it. Okay, so I finished the task, so I'll probably complete the rest of these tasks off of the screencasting. So hopefully I can download this correctly this time, so you'll get the file. But thank you for joining me on this journey. I really enjoyed it, and I really like this tool, and I really do plan on using it in future classrooms. Thank you.